Good morning, Sandra. Look at this. I'm coming to work. If I was a homeless person, I would be chilling because I'm at work. Yeah, they left it open.